Philippines!
Hey guys, alis kami guys. Ihatid namin si Bianan. Han, it's 2 o'clock. Kailangan namin ihatid. Si Bianan andun sa bathroom. Hey, you cannot eat that. I'm going to put this thing over here because he was using the table. So I'll put this right here. Ang tagal, ang tagal. She's still in the bathroom. Oh, yung medicine. Hala. Makalimutan ito. Ito talagang si Tami, no? Hala, Monday morning. Hindi binigay ni Tami. Kalungkot itong si Tami. I noticed Monday morning pills, you don't give the medicine.
What?
Did you give the medicine, Mom? Yesterday?
You gave her, I wasn't here Monday morning, you gave her Monday morning, I gave her Monday night.
Oh, why is the where is
Because I put those pills back because they weren't, Andrea made a mistake.
Then I put the night because she's gonna blame me. She will blame me that I don't give medicine. Yeah, white.
Pill and a little white pill.
White and orange.
Yeah, because there's only supposed to be one each of them a day. And you told me that you were going to give me more. Because now they're looking to not give me a tax exemption on that STAR program.
I don't feel like myself today.
Okay. Give me your... Okay.
You don't have your keys?
Huh?
You do not have your keys?
I do. Why?
I figured you to start the car up. And you got Andrea's key too? Just...
Yeah. Did you arrange the tank properly?
The tank's fine.
Ito yung araw na gustong-gusto ko, yung parang hindi maginaw. Magkaan siya, parang maginaw-ginaw pero hindi talaga masyadong maginaw ba? And then so kapag hinintay ka, open mo lang yung window and then shut the car off para hindi masyadong magasto sa gas. Excuse me. And then after this guys, pagkatapos dito guys, punta kami sa bahay ni sister-in-law. Madumi itong cellphone, ano ko guys, camera, ang dumi talaga. Yung lens niya, yung lens niya na pag ganon-ganon, madumi, iwan ko. And yeah, ihatid lang namin yung gamit ni Bianan. And I need to write down what I need to get from the store para sa grocery. Alam nyo na kasi all the gloves that meron ako nagamit ko kay Bianan. So gloves, wipes, I think. No, not wipes. My sister-in-law will get wipes. But who is with her? I mean, who is the person that...
Well, Colleen's with her. I don't know where Tracy is. So she's around somewhere. But,
So what
but T put the needles in her arm, so... And he's never had a problem. He's like... I don't know, I guess Andrea said, you know, she needs somebody to sit with her. I know Kathy had volunteered. I said, oh, you know, if you need me to do it, I can do that. We gotta stop at like a dollar store or that little
route recalculation.
The little store over
Route
by,
recalculation.
outside the bridge.
An Ford thing?
Yeah.
In 300 feet, turn right.
No, the Andrea bring me wipes.
Yeah.
She bring wipes. I don't know enough my wipes.
Brush.
Huh?
Brush in the back.
Hello guys, we are going home. Katatapos lang namin i-drop yung gamit ni Bianan sa kapatid ni Tamimoy. And my kid is killing me.
Nice little trailers up there.
Oh, that one up there?
All of them. I mean, you know, see that little black one over there?
Yeah, that's like a trailer that
I like
you
that
can...
big long black one back there though. I thought I had it beat last year, but that
What's
didn't
up?
work out.
Look, hon. I'm gonna do racing with this too.
Yeah, okay.
Hold on, let's see. Okay? Let's see who's gonna be winning. Who's a good car here?
Oh, you freaking kidding? You're not 12. He's got that new Jeep. I don't like that new thing, that new technology. Did you notice? Did you notice that his car started up when he went to go?
Yeah, look at
The
that.
new technology. Your car shuts off when you stop.
Really?
Yeah, and then it restarts every time you start. I'm like, that's ridiculous. You know, all right, it's not so bad here. What about in New York City when you stop it every 3 inches? You beat the hell out of your starter and everything. It's like
That one on the block. We are like fun, and that's why kids do that.
Yeah, son. I know why they do it. I used to drag race. Not really smart. And I used to win.
It's fun, really. It's like, you know, you can hear the two cars beside you, and you try to rock. And it,
I had an old beat up ass car, but it had a powerful friggin' engine. And it used to beat everybody until I blew the engine apart. I mean, literally, the rods pushed right through the engine block. I miss that car. I love that friggin' beat up old car.
what car is that?
The old Chrysler station wagon.
The blue one?
Had a 440 engine. And it was like blueprinted. In drag race terms, a sleeper is a car that looks like it can't beat anybody, but it's set up so well it can beat everybody. They call it a sleeper because everybody wants to race you because they figure there's not a chance in hell you can win.
It's nice to feel, guys. It's like I try to do racing, guys. Sometimes I do when I'm driving alone. It just makes me laugh. But I don't do it like long. It's just when in the light. That's what I like, that when the light stops, and then I saw this guy is like,
and bad influence.
Huh?
You're doing a bad influence.
Well, you know, it's, and then after that, and then you just laugh and then it stops.
Yeah, until you sit there and your light turns and you nail it, and somebody was trying to make the red light on the other side and you slam right into them and everybody dies.
No, honey, you're like, you have to pay
happens.
attention when you do that. I'm not an idiot. I'm not like 12 years old that start driving, or 16-year-old. Well, you guys did.
Crazy
I
crap.
never did.
I know.
Because this is time.
I know you never got to have the fun of a car because you like.
We're poor, hon. We're poor.
Right. And in the Philippines, you can have a lot of fun with cars. It's like the ruleless country.
Oh my God! You always see that? Do we have rules? People just don't fucking follow.
People drive all over both sides of the road. Make no difference. They just, oh, there's an opening. Let's go in there.
Yeah. No, I don't want that. Okay, guys. So now Tommy's thing is a Burger King. We're here in the Burger King again. Kaloka itong si Tom. A Burger King again. He's a Burger King. Tommy is a Burger King, guys. Said, and sabi pa niya, and can we stop at the Burger King, please? Nagpakilo guys, kasi ako yung nag-drive, so kaya yun. Can we just stop to the Burger King? Han, sabi ko, Han, it's already almost 4 o'clock. It's like 2 minutes to 4 o'clock. I guess we have to eat in the car, go to Hannah Ford dollar store again. We need to pick up some gloves. Okay, hold this.
Hold on. Where's she about yet?
Gutom ng asawa ko, guys. Kaya na tayo ng fries. I'm gonna drive.
So what?
So, we can exit here?
No, I think you gotta go around.
Around there?
Yeah. I was curious what this dollar taco is. Not much.
Oh my God, it's just like it's a... Han, you can cut your own vegetables. What the heck?
I'm eating it too.
Huh? Can we turn ano dito?
Doesn't say no left turn, so I guess you can.
Oh, it smells like something. Barbecue. Smell barbecue. Gutom na yung asawa ko, guys. Gutom. Diner on front? No, diner over there.
Not bad. A little spicy.
I think I cannot do it here. I have to turn over there and go to that shopping there and then turn and then go back. Because it takes shit over here.
Well, wait until we get out there and see. This guy in front of him is making a left.
Yeah, I know. I can see. It's not moving nowhere because of that thing. There's no way. We're gonna be like...
The person in front doesn't have the balls to be driving.
We're stuck here, guys. Oh my god. It's already 4 o'clock.
You can go left after this guy.
Huh?
You can make it left. Right after this guy, go. Go.
I have a balls. I have the balls. The American driver doesn't have a balls. Ah, American. My balls is so big now. Won't fit the shake. It makes me hungry because I have a balls. It makes me hungry, hon. We're just listening to nice music together. Thanks, hon.
Yeah.
Ed!
Knock it off.
Ed!
Uganda? Uganda. No, the country Uganda. Tuloy tao bukas layas. Ganda na nang kalanang maga trees. Something about the trees not looking pretty. I guess.
Hold on.
Naga. Because this window was open a little bit.
You're right.
Whatever. I know you don't think you do. For some reason you think I'm just gonna make that up.
Of course, just to make me like you are full-time, Maryann. Maryann, you're not doing nothing. Oh my God. Tingnan mo, guys. Yung brush is life. Brush is life, hon?
Yeah.
Oh, my baby. Oh. Brush is life. What did you just said? You don't have a map, hon. Papi chulo.
Let's smell that bag. Oh, let me smell that bag.
Oh, boga. Then it's gonna be our dinner and lunch because you know what? I'm not like this again.
That's fine with me. I'm okay with that.
I know. I don't want you to like, hon, you don't cook me nothing. What is the problem with you? You are my wife. You should be my slave cooking. You should be cooking for me. Okay, let's go out this. So guys, it's time for my love.
It's the road.
Huh? Hit the road. Oh, my baby. My baby is a road. Oy. Road.
Again, you're telling way too much crap. The fruits, yes, I'll keep them in the refrigerator.
Because you can
Eggplant keep here. Take some burgers.
the burger, this one only. That's it.
What about the regular burger?
No, I have a plan. Huh?
What's the plan?
No, I have a
Just a regular double burger? You want a double
I
burger?
don't want to. This one you have to bring.
No, try those.
No, I don't want to. I forgot. Let me get some bag.
I wish we would keep the eggplant and the burger.
I don't want to. I know.
And the fries.
No.
Jesus.
God. Okay, put them down. Okay. You don't have to close it.
I'll keep it cold.
Your son is bugging for
He's
food.
starting.
So guys, alis na si Tami guys. Thank you guys. I'm going to end also the vlog because I need to edit. And naka-upload ako ng isa para bukas talaga kasi wala akong video na pang as in wala. So, yun. Thank you guys. See you, Han. Bye-bye, Han. Good night.
Hey guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry if it's boring.
We don't really do nothing today. So yeah. So thank you anyway guys for watching our video and we will see you guys tomorrow and bye guys. Bye bye.